Tell me say you're lucky, make me get back me visa. Get back me visa. Get back me visa. Get back me visa.
In January 2025, after nearly 2 decades, Kartel's US visa was reinstated, allowing him to attend the 67th Annual Grammy Awards, where his EP, Party With Me, was nominated for Best Reggae Album. Although he did not secure the award, this milestone presents numerous positive implications for his career. In 2005, the US Embassy revoked Vybz Kartel's visa, severely limiting his ability to perform and promote his music in the United States, a key market for dancehall artists. Despite these obstacles, Kartel's influence remained undiminished, with his music permeating international borders through digital platforms and loyal fan support. This reinstatement not only symbolizes a personal victory but also opens doors to a plethora of opportunities within the US market, which is pivotal for international artists. The ability to travel to the US enables Kartel to engage directly with a vast fan base, collaborate with other artists, and participate in high-profile events and continued promotion of his singles and upcoming projects. It is not officially confirmed if he has gained a work permit, but hopefully, over time, he can also work in the US legally. With the ability to perform in the US, Kartel can now reach a broader audience. Live performances are crucial for artists to connect with fans, and the US market offers a diverse demographic eager for dancehall music. This expansion can lead to increased album sales, streaming numbers, and merchandise revenue, thereby bolstering his commercial success. Access to the US music scene opens avenues for collaborations with a wide array of artists across genres. Such partnerships can result in innovative musical projects, blending dancehall with other styles, and attracting listeners from different musical backgrounds. Collaborations also enhance an artist's profile and can lead to cross-genre chart success. Kartel's reinstated visa and Grammy attendance have garnered significant media attention, casting him in a positive light and shifting the narrative from his past legal troubles to his artistic achievements. I must congratulate Kartel on how he represented not only himself, but the genre of dancehall. In his interviews, he was articulate, calm, and confident. This positive media exposure can improve public perception, attract brand endorsements, create opportunities in various entertainment sectors, and also allow him to network with industry leaders and reaffirm his position in the global music scene.
Bro, I love Jamaica so much, bro.
I know that. You were there the other day.
Yes, bro. We have to go to Jamaica together soon.
Hell yeah.
Bro.
Where's your Asian friend?
Ray?
Yeah.
Ray right now, he want to go to the military.
Oh.
Yeah.
So I know Ray.
Yes, bro. Bro, have a good night, though, bro. I got to keep in contact with you, bro.
Yeah, you should.
Hold on, can I take your number now?
Of course.
Bro.
Of course. Okay, good.
World boss.
This is not for the crowd, okay?
All right, yeah, I already know it.
So we can't.
Me know.
That's me, G.
Yo.
Yeah, man, that's me, man.
I got you. I'm gonna lock you.
Lock it in.
I'm gonna lock you in. I'm gonna shoot you a text over, bro.
All
right, be safe. All right, respect.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yo.
Vybz Kartel's reacquisition of his US visa and his participation in the Grammy Awards mark a transformative period in his career. Despite not winning the award, the benefits stemming from these developments are substantial. They not only revitalize his career but also set the stage for future successes, reaffirming his status as a formidable force in the global music industry.
Senior up to the time, you know it's Vybz Kartel, and we're at the Grammys with Billboard. Well, go on Billboard, I'm out.
Well, today is a new day. Give thanks a lot. All praises to the Lord, me see for me sanctified. Nah, make them stress me. Me a wall of vibe.